Okay, this crochet top is made up of just 2 squares. I know, I didn't believe it at first myself, but let me show you. Hi, I'm Erin from Juniper and I design overlay mosaic crochet patterns. I first crocheted up this t-shirt last year when I went to a yarn-related trade show in Chicago, and today I'm so excited to finally be releasing the crochet pattern while I'm back in Chicago. This is the Mosaic Starburst Tee. It is built from 2 identical center out overlay mosaic crochet squares. The front is the same as the back, and when seamed together it creates this beautiful wearable crochet project. We've got this boat neckline, some little cap sleeves, this hem at the bottom which is customizable to make longer or shorter based on the style that you like. And look at the texture. It's called the Mosaic Starburst Tee because it starts in this middle and it kind of creates this orbing star that comes out. What I love about this tee is how that starburst creates these diagonal movement. It's just a fabulous texture. What really makes this garment fun is instead of working it up like traditional garment and fitting it in different ways, you just create a square which gets taller and wider all at the same time, and then you can really customize it with adding the different trim pieces to make your sizing how you want. So with every round, you're adding height and width at the same time. That means the sizing is really intuitive and it is a lot less intimidating than traditional garment shape. The pattern is written for extra small sizes all the way to 5XL, so we're really size inclusive, and like I've mentioned before, you can alter the pattern to fit your own body shape. And because it's a square base, you can actually pin it together, try it on before you actually finish the whole thing up to really make sure that this tee fits you. Another thing that I love about this tee is that any level of crocheter can make it. If you are very comfortable with mosaic crochet, then this pattern is very intuitive and you will be able to do this in no time. And if you're newer to crochet, specifically mosaic crochet, I have included written instructions, charts, detailed pictures on how to work the stitches up, so you will be able to master this technique and create this t-shirt. The yarn that I use for this project is a #1 super fine Rococo linen by Hobie. You can use any super fine yarn that you want, and I'm just going to stop right there because you can actually use whatever yarn weight you want, and then you just adjust the sizing to fit your body. I love how beginner friendly it is because even if you don't like working with #1 fine yarn, you can use whatever yarn you're comfortable with and then just crochet up the square to the dimensions you need to fit your own body type. This design feels really special to me because this is the first pattern of its kind that I have ever created. If you know anything about me, you know me for my mosaic crochet blanket, but this is the first garment pattern I have ever released, and I am so excited that it is finally out there in the world. This is kind of the beginning of something bigger. I have really wanted to explore how I can make mosaic crochet wearable, and this is kind of the first step in that process. The pattern is available now, and if you make one, I would love to see it. So make sure that you post it on social media. I'm at Juniper at all the places. Tag me, use the collaborate picture, and I would love to see your tee. Please comment below with what colors you are using. I am so inspired by my crocheters all around the world, and I love how my patterns can be customized by whoever makes it. So if you would, please like this video and share it with a crochet friend who you know needs to make this blanket. And please comment, what colors are you going to be making your Mosaic Starburst Tee in? I would love to know. You might be seeing more garments and crochet patterns like this from me in the future, so if that's any interest to you, make sure that you stick around. Thank you so much for being here and for supporting my design. Happy crocheting!